I'll give it to you, no interruption. And you're home, oh, on the phone, all alone.
Hey guys, it's Kyle back with another video today. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Pixelgun 3D of the mini shotgun, I think it's called. Let me check here. The minigun shotgun, okay. Yeah, we're going to be using that as a review. So, minigame. Go to the minigame and then I'm gonna go to arena. Because I'm like good in arena, so that's where I'm gonna do the review. After, wait, hold on, actually. Okay, so what it has, fire rate is 96, capacity is 20, and the weight is 12. It's automatic and it's a shotgun, obviously. So I think that's actually really good. But now, the moment of truth. This is really good. I can already tell, guys. Yeah, guys, this is actually definitely really good. The reloading is very slow, which isn't very convenient at all. But it shoots very fast. It's literally like a minigun shotgun, literally like that. So, yeah, guys, this is just gonna be a little short review. If you guys want, I actually do definitely recommend this gun in battles and stuff. So I definitely recommend this. Also, I'm going to be reviewing the one shot in the next video, which will be coming out tomorrow, guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, it also has a lot of ammo. So my unicorn over there is doing work. But yeah, guys, I definitely do recommend this for you to buy, guys. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. So yeah, guys, peace.